Hello, annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to this amazing platform. I am Momita and I'll be a Korean trainer for today. So in the last class, we learned about kewaig or plans. Today we are going to continue with the same topic. Starting off with ohi or vocabularies. Our first ohi for today is orhe. Orhe is this year. Orhe, orhe. Then we have nenon. Nenon is next year. Nyeon is year, so nenon next year. Moving on, we have Jangneon, last year. So how do we pronounce this? This is just the pronunciation. Jangneon, last year. Jangneon. Then we have Hyuil. Hyuils are holidays. So if you have a holiday for some special occasion, for some special festival, or you're taking a leave, that would be called Hyuil. We move on to Yorihada. Yorihada is to cook. Yorihada. We have Jinandal, Jinanju. Jinan means something that has already passed. So Jinandal would be last month. Jinanju would be last week. Jinandal, Jinanju. Next we have Ibondal, Ibonju. Ibon is this time. So Ibondal this week, Ibonju. Ibondal would be this month. Ibonju would be this week. Ibondal this month, Ibonju this week. Then we go on to 다음 달, 다음 주. 다음 is next. So 다음 달, 다음, next month. 다음 주, next week. So if you notice, 달 means month and 주 means week. 달 also means moon. So maybe that's the correlation. Moon, lunar calendar, month. So 달 is month. Next we have 계속. Now 계속 means something that is continuous, continuously happening. So how do we pronounce this? 개. So Y sound would be omitted. 계속, 계속, continuous. Then we have 시작하다. 시작하다 to start. When these two consonants come together, I'll get a k sound. 시작하다 to start. Then we have nad. 받침 rule. This would be pronounced as diyat, the, nad, daytime, nad. Then we have bham, nighttime, bham. 준비하다. 준비하다 is to prepare for something. 준비하다. So you can do 준비하다 for cooking later, for 요리하다. So 준비하다 to prepare. Next we have 아프다. 아프다 is to be sick. Now ayo, oyo, heo, this becomes apayo. Ayo to apuda, so this becomes apayo, to be sick. Apuda, to be sick or to be hurt. If you are hurt somewhere, if you are in pain, you can also use apuda. Next we have 잘하다. 잘하다 is to be good at something, to do something well. 잘하다. 잘해요, you do it well. 잘했어요, you did well. 잘했어요, 잘하다. Okay, now we'll be moving on to 문법 for today, or the grammar. 문법 is verb plus 을 수 있다, 을 수 없다. Okay, now this is a very important grammar. If I look it from the topic 1 perspective, you can spot it here and there everywhere. Okay, now 을 수 있다 is used when someone can do something, when something can happen, when it is possible. On the other hand, 을 수 없다 is used when you cannot do something, something cannot happen, it is impossible. It is used with verbs. 을 수 있다, something is possible. 을 수 없다, something is not possible. Moving on, when the word is ending with a vowel, 가다, that is of course after I am eliminating 다. So 가, 을 수 있다, 갈 수 있다, 갈 수 없다. You can go, you cannot go. So to 있다, 없다, I'll add grammar according to how I want to frame it. 아요, 아요, 해요, 봅니다, 씁니다, past tense, future tense. I'll add to 있다 and 없다. Just like we do for 고 싶다, we add the grammar to 싶다. Similarly, 갈 수 있어요, can go. 갈 수 없어요, cannot go. 갈 수 있습니다, formal 갈 수 없습니다. Cannot go. Next, when the word is ending with a consonant. For example, 먹다. That is of course after I'm eliminating 다. So 먹을 수 있다. Here I'm just adding 를. Here I'm adding 을. 을 수 있다. 을 수 없다. 먹을 수 있다. 없다. You can eat. You can not eat. 먹을 수 있어요. 먹을 수 없어요. Can eat. Can not eat. Then we have 먹을 수 있습니다. Can eat. 먹을 수 없습니다. Cannot eat. Then let's see example sentences. 저는 한국에 유학을 갈 수 있어요. I can go to study abroad in Korea. 유학 is to study abroad. So 갈 수 있어요. I can go to Korea to study abroad. 오늘 바빠요. 바빠요. To be busy coming from the word 바쁘다. 바쁘다 becomes 바빠요. 그래서 만날 수 없어요. That is why I cannot meet. 사진을 찍을 수 있습니까? 사진을 찍다. To click a photo ending with a consonant I add 을 수 있다. 사진을 찍을 수 있습니까? Can you click the photo? 앞으로는 열심히 공부할 거예요. 앞으로 in the future 열심히 studying very hard. Yes, I'll study very hard in the future. 할 거예요. Will do something. 그러면 then 한국어를 잘 할 수 있어요. 잘하다. So 그러면 if then so 한국어를 잘 할 수 있어요. If I do that I can do 한국어 well. I can use Korean language well. Then we have this conversation. 마크 씨 is asking, 줄리 씨, 오늘 시험은 어땠어요? 어땠어요? How was it? 어때요? Present tense. How is it? 어땠어요? Past tense. How was it? So Julie she replies, 쉬웠어요. 쉬웠어요. To be easy, 쉽다 we have done. Coming from the word 쉽다. So past tense, 쉬웠어요. It was easy. 그런데 이번 주말에 아팠어요. But this 주말, this weekend, 이번 is this. We did 이번 주말. This week I was not well. 아팠어요. 그래서 공부할 수 없었어요. Therefore I could not study. 없었어요. Past tense. 공부할 수 없었어요. I could not study. 마키시 says, 괜찮아요. It's okay. 고향에서 친구가 왔어요. Now, 고향 is hometown, becomes my location. So we did when the sentence is ending with 가다, 오다, 있다, 없다, we add 에 to the sentence. But here, eso is not the location marker. Here, this means from. So, from the 고향, from the hometown, 친구 came. Yes, therefore I am using eso here and not 에. Eso here is not the location marker. It means from. So, from hometown, 친구 came, friend came. 그래서 저도 공부를 할 수 없었어요. Therefore, 저도, me too, I too. 도. too. I also 공부를 할 수 없었어요. I could not study as well. 다음 주 시험에 잘할 거예요. 다음 주, next week 시험. 시험 is exam. So, next week exam. We'll do well. 잘하다, 잘하다, 잘할 거예요. We'll do well. 우리 같이 준비해요. Let's prepare together. 준비하다. To prepare, 같이, together, 우리, us, 우리 같이 준비해요. 할 수 있어요. We can do it. 할 수 있어요. She says, 네, 좋아요. Yes, okay, let's do that. Okay, now let's have a look at 어휘 one more time. Let's do 연습 of the 어휘. 연습 was to practice something. Okay, let's start. We have 올해, this year. And we have 내년, next year. 작년, last year. 휴일, holiday. 요리하다, to cook. 지난달, 지난주, last month, last week. 이번 달, this month. 이번 주, this week. 다음 달, next month. 다음 주, next week. 해석, 해석, continuous. 시작하다, to start. 낮, daytime. 밤, nighttime. 준비하다, to prepare. 아프다, to be sick. 아파요, 아팠어요. Next, 잘하다, to do something well. Now, today we learned 계획 and how to use the 문법 을 수 있다, 을 수 없다. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. 안녕히 가세요.